I'm gonna do something with this. Yeah, you know what you're thinking. But yeah, I'm gonna do something with that. Alright, let's do what I'm gonna do. It's very, very wobbly. And look, it's a very thin. See, it's very thin. I'm gonna show you. This is for subs, okay? So please like and sub. See, I can do it. So please sub. I only did this for the people here on the earth to be happy. Please sub. Bye.